bomb in the back. Bastards. You get their kicks, they're impulsive.
It's a hell of a time to take a beer, kid.
Nice shot. Good going, Matt.
Thanks. What are we stopping for?
Well, they had their fun. Now it's our turn. I can't see him from here. Are they getting out?
No. Yeah. Now they're getting out.
Look around. They spot us.
Yeah, right.
They're coming after us. Not running, but moving fast.
They don't look very happy. Are you sure this is a good idea?
No sweat. They're starting to jog now.
Yeah, right. But these guys look really pissed off.
The madder, the better.
They're getting close.
I see him now.
What the hell are you waiting for?
No sweat. Come on, boys. Charge.
They're gonna get us.
Not if we move, they won't. The faster they go, the faster we go. The faster we go, the faster they go.
They're slowing down.
Then we slow down.
They stop.
Then we stop.
They're dead. They're crapping out. They're gonna croak.
Ah, anger can work miracles if you know what buttons to push. Watch this.
This is another one of your jokes, right? Right? Let's go!
Get the truck. Back there. Go get it. You go get the truck.
Hey, don't turn around.
What's the matter?
The truckers.
Plan.
I don't think they recognize me, but they got a good look at you. So, get down and tie your shoes.
Hey. Who owns a deadbeat horse out there?
Which? The one in the trailer?
Yeah.
Hooked up to a Jeep?
Yeah.
A guy in the kid?
Yeah.
Who broke your windshield with a beer bottle?
Yeah.
I made you run like
Yeah. Yeah.
Well then, you must be looking for me.
Lou!
Good going.
Just lucky. Keep the change.
You do dollar show.
Oh,
Never mind. On the house.
thanks. Pomoda. Pomoda.
Yeah, so am I.
This Tubular doesn't move his butt. I'll have to do it for him.
I wouldn't do that.
Oh no? What do the laws of the jungle call for in this case?
Forgetting we got Joe Brown in the back. They'd be on us in a second.
Right. Listen, Rodak. What do you say we handle this? Just you and me.
What'd you call me?
I call you Rodak, but if you want, I can call you by your name. Bag of shit.
I'm gonna take my teeth if you're wishing on.
You're not gonna have any teeth.
Call me a road apple. My name is Chickadee.
Like Bernie?
Yeah.
You okay, Luke?
Yeah.
Hey!
No, man.
I carved my initials in your face. Be my guest. Hey, wait a minute, aren't you? Yeah. Matt the Stitcher. Rico! Cool Blade Rico! Oh, Rico! Hey man, what's happening?
doing?
Hey, Rico, what the hell is going on here, man?
Matt, the Stitcher! He saved my brother Nick's ass when he got in trouble with the Tigers! What you doing? Nothing much. Bunch of us heading to Phoenix, Arizona's desert run. 50 kegger. Chicks. Music. Real blowout. How about you?
I'm checking out a piece of land my old man won at poker. He's busy right now.
Who's he?
A friend I'm taking along with me. Not bad, huh?
Not at all.
Who's the animal?
Bad brother Chickadee. Hey, Chickadee! He's Matt, the Stitcher. Nick's friend. Remember? Time the Tigers are gonna slice him up?
Yeah. Who's the mad dog here?
It's a friend of his.
You gave some bad company, man. What do you say we get to the bottom of this? Huh? A little piece of goodwill? All right.
Does this happen often? Or are we special?
Oh, you're special. You're special. Guy laid $1,000 on us to flatten you.
What?
Who was he?
I don't know, man. Plumbed himself off as a lawyer. Does that ring any bells?
Not really, but thanks for the tip.
Sure thing. Next time you guys are down in Phoenix, stop by the stadium and we're having a run.
Just bring yourselves. We got the chicks and the beer.
Sounds great. Stitcher, thanks for Nicky.
No problem. Drown, Rico. Yeah.